Alright, you guys, so we are now on 2.1, topic 1, the try it one, and we'll be doing both try it's in this video. So I've gone ahead and opened up my September field trip starter, and what I'm going to do, on the home tab, we're going to go to the editing group, and we're going to select replace, or you can use your keyboard shortcut, so Control H. Control H. I didn't say G. Anyways, Control G brings the go-to up. Okay. What we're going to do is we're going to type in Munson's in the find what, and we're going to replace it with Munson's with an apostrophe, okay? And you're going to replace all. You'll notice that it says we made 3 replacements. We'll click OK, close it out, and then save it like normal. So once you saved it like normal, we're going to go into the topic 1, try it 2. I've already got it opened up here. Okay. So now what we're doing is we're going to place our cursor at the end of the text. So the bottom line. And on the home tab in the editing group, we're going to go back to the replace. So I'm going to Control H again, bring that up. And now we're going to type in all capitals. Oh, that's not all capitals. Preserves. And then replace with, you're literally going to type the same thing, but with proper capitalization. So it's not screaming at you. I don't know why you would spell pickles and preserves together, but you know what? To each their own. We're going to click the More button. We're going to do the search drop down again, so we're going to go up. This time we're going to match case. And match casing means that it's going to pick up this, okay? If we had typed it in like this, it would not pick it up. But since we actually typed it in like this, it will. So, you're going to hit the replace. Okay? So hit the replace, and it'll say, we finished searching this document. You'll click OK. And I'm going to close out of this, and that is all for this one, you guys. So stay as normal, please. Thank you.